Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to go if you are looking to get back the old classic version of right click context menu on your Windows 11 computer. Let's jump straight into it guys. Go to files, go to this PC, go to local disk. I am showing you. Click anything, right click on it and show more. That's it guys, your older version of Windows 10 right click version came over here. You can copy it or you can paste like that, clicking like show or more option. You can have refresh and everything is back guys. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching my video.